G'day all, welcome to Frostbite's JoJo Repro. I don't open a lot of basketball cards because I have found that, especially that 22-23 era of cards, due to what I'd consider probably a bit of a poor performance by the rookies, as opposed to the previous year. Generally, you're just not getting your money's worth when you're buying these packs. But, I live in Canberra and there's a real shortage of actual good packets of cards. Went to Toymate, they had these in there. I hadn't seen them before. So I figured, why not just grab a couple of packs? So 15 cards, they sell for $15, so $1 a card. I can guarantee you I'm gonna lose out on this. But, it's bit of fun just to open some cards, so why not? So let's crack in. Obviously, picking up a Paolo Banchero rookie card, that's what I'd be after. But in the end, I'll just be happy to get anything decent out of here. Good just to check them out, see what the cards look like as well. Okay, so Jaden Ivey rookie card, that's decent. I'll take that. Giannis card, nice. LeBron card, sure. Kessler. Oh yeah, nice. So that's a Paolo rookie card. That makes me happy. What's that? Oh crap, I got a signature. Derek Harper. That's awesome. Not a ultimately well-known player, but hey, this is the first either patch or signature card that I've ever gotten just from picking up cheap packs. So I'll take it. And nothing too exciting after that. That's just flabbergasted me, getting that signature. I don't really mind too much, with signatures. I figure they're a nice piece of NBA history, and like just getting that, that's great. That's totally made my day. Picking it up in the same pack as a Paolo rookie card, a LeBron card, a Giannis card, and a Jaden Ivey card. Like $15 I paid for that. So yeah, I'm super stoked. Pack 2. It's probably not going to have much in it. I'd say that signature was a box hit as well. I know they don't really do one per box or whatever, but generally the odds are so crappy. Dyson Daniels, Wendell Moore Jr., Chet Holmgren. So second overall, like that's not a bad rookie card to get. Johnny Davis rookie card. Walker Kessler. Nothing too exciting. Jabari Smith Jr. Take that. Decent rookie card. Steph Curry. That's great. Jalen Duren. So that's some decent cards. And like I said, this signature is just, in a very minor way, blowing me away. It's just great to get a signature from a pack. Yeah, that's great. All right. If you're not subbed to my account, please subscribe. Keeps me motivated to make the content for you guys to watch. Please check out my other videos if you haven't already, and check out my presence on Insta and Facey, where I post usually a daily post on something G.I. Joe, Transformers, Star Wars related. Apart from that, thanks very much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.